WiFiRanger control. Let's start this training by explaining what this feature is. WiFiRanger control, or WFRControl for short, is a way for one WiFiRanger to control another. To use this feature, the two WiFiRangers need to either be connected by an Ethernet cable or be within wireless range of each other. For the feature to work, two Rangers need to be paired together. Pairing is done from the control panel of the Ranger you want to control and manage with. After pairing, controlling both Rangers can be done from one control panel instead of two separate ones. In addition to controlling another Ranger, WiFiRanger control creates a larger network between the two routers so devices connected to either Ranger can communicate with each other. The most common use scenario of this feature is the WiFiRanger RV pack, which comes with the WiFiRanger Go and WiFiRanger Mobile. These are two standalone routers that can be paired using WiFiRanger control to share their strengths and internet connections. The Go is an internal router that has Ethernet WAN and Ethernet LAN capability for any hardware connections needed. It also provides a USB port for air cards or modems. The Mobile is an external router, so it can be outside of the RV. It lacks the Ethernet and USB ports the Go has, but it has a more powerful antenna and radio needed to make long-distance Wi-Fi connections. Together when paired, the Go and Mobile will have access to each other's possible available internet connections and connected devices. Configuring WiFiRanger control is easy. Navigate to the control panel of the primary Ranger you want to control with. Go to the Setup tab and check WFRControl in the Active column. Then click on the Settings gear icon to expand the related settings. Next, enter in the 6-digit WiFiRanger ID of the Ranger you want to control and then select whether the control is over wireless or wired. If controlling over wired, select the correct Ethernet port. Click Save at the bottom of the page. Wait for the Pair button to appear and then click on it. Wait and follow the directions of the pop-up window. When the Rangers are properly paired, a WFRControl radio button appears in the Wi-Fi box of the main tab. Click on this to control the other Wi-Fi Ranger. All scans, joins, and ranges will go through the other Ranger when this button is selected from this control panel. Once you've verified, you can select the WFRControl button and are able to scan. Go back to the Setup tab and move WFRControl to the Auto Connect order you desire and click Save. While the two WiFiRangers are paired, the second control panel can be found on the Setup tab. Just click on the WFRControl link to bring up the other control panel. You'll be able to get to the control panel without switching Wi-Fi connections to the other Ranger. Other than the Wi-Fi tab, all other settings should remain unchanged on the client WiFiRanger when configured for WFRControl.